Every single day, this giant automated bakery produces hundreds of thousands of fresh bread loaves. Today, we'll follow the complete journey from raw ingredients to perfectly packaged bread. The bread-making journey begins here. A giant tanker truck delivers high-quality wheat flour to the factory, where every batch is carefully received before production starts. Using a powerful pneumatic transfer system, the flour is safely moved from the tanker into giant stainless steel storage silos. This fully enclosed process keeps the flour is safely stored inside giant stainless steel silos. Automated sensors continuously monitor the quantity and condition of the flour, ensuring a clean, reliable supply. From the storage silos, the flour is transported automatically. Enclosed pneumatic pipelines deliver a precise supply to the line. This maintains hygiene and the factory automatically measures the exact quantity for every batch. Precision weighing is produced with the same consistent quality and texture. Purified water is automatically measured and delivered with high precision. Every batch receives the exact amount required, helping create soft, consistent bread dough for large-scale production. Next, the factory automatically measures the exact amount of baker's yeast. Accurate yeast dosing is essential because it allows the dough to ferment properly, giving the bread its soft. Next, the factory automatically measures the exact amount of sugar. Precision dosing ensures every batch has the correct sweetness while supporting proper fermentation and consistent bread quality. Salt is added with precise automatic dosing. The exact amount enhances the bread's flavor, strengthens the dough structure, and helps maintain consistent quality in every batch. Finally, the bread improver is added with precision. This ingredient helps strengthen the dough, improves texture, and ensures every loaf has a soft, uniform shape during high-volume production.
All the measured ingredients are combined inside a giant industrial spiral mixer. Powerful mixing arms knead the dough until it becomes smooth, elastic, and perfect. The perfectly mixed dough is automatically discharged from the giant mixer onto a food-grade conveyor, where fermentation will begin.
The freshly mixed dough enters a temperature and humidity-controlled fermentation chamber. During this stage, the yeast becomes active, producing carbon dioxide. This allows the fermented dough now enters an automatic divider. The machine cuts the dough into perfectly equal portions with high precision, ensuring every bread loaf has the After rounding, the dough enters the intermediate proofer. Here, it rests under carefully controlled temperature and humidity, allowing the gluten to relax and preparing each dough piece for the final shaping process. Each molded dough loaf is automatically placed into a baking pan. Robotic system prepares 1,000 loaves every hour for the final proofing process before baking. Before baking, the dough enters the final proofing chamber. Under carefully controlled temperature and humidity, each loaf expands to its final size, creating the soft. The proof dough now enters the giant tunnel oven. Carefully controlled heat bakes every loaf evenly, transforming the soft golden brown bread with a light interior and perfectly baked crust.
After baking, the loaves are automatically removed from their baking pans. The fresh bread is transferred onto a cooling conveyor, while the empty pans are returned to production line for the next baking cycle.
Fresh from the oven, the bread enters a giant spiral cooling system. Clean, filtered air gradually cools each loaf, allowing the internal temperature to stabilize before slicing and packaging. After cooling, every loaf enters the automatic slicing machine. High-speed precision blades cut each loaf into perfectly even slices, preparing the bread for hygiene. The sliced bread now enters the automatic bagging machine. Food-grade plastic bags are opened automatically, and each loaf is placed inside with high precision, ensuring hygienic handling before sealing. Each bread bag is automatically heat-sealed to keep the product fresh and protected. Expiry date, batch number, and every package for complete traceability before quality inspection. Every loaf is inspected by advanced AI. Robotic arms pack, stack, and wrap them for delivery. Soft to enjoy together. This is the modern journey of bread.